What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your passkey from Roblox. So first you need to head over to the Roblox's website and then you need to log in with your account, and after that, when you're redirected to the home page on the right side, you need to click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you just need to head over to the settings here on the right side and then click on settings again. After clicking on settings here, when you scroll down a bit, here you will see all your account information, and from here you will see your passkey, like one passkey is added. So click on manage, and after that you can see this is my passkey and I want to remove it. I'll just simply click on this trash icon and then click on delete key, and this will delete my passkey from my Roblox account. I just simply need to verify it with my passkey to confirm it that it's me and no one else. And when I have done this, I can just simply delete it. As you can see, the passkey is removed successfully. This is how you can remove your passkey in Roblox. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.